Credit One Bank Platinum X5 Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. This card looks attractive because of its rewards, but most people get this card wrong and end up paying far more than they earn. You earn elevated rewards in certain categories, which sounds great, but there is an annual fee, possible monthly fees, and high interest rates. If you carry balances, the fees can easily cancel out your rewards. It can work for disciplined users, but many people are better off with no-fee cards. Verdict: leave it unless you are very disciplined.